Welcome back guys to another tutorial. What are consistent images? That can be a character we made in AI with different face expressions or with different poses. As a beginner it can be hard to find out, but it isn't as difficult as you think. And in today's tutorial I show you how it works. Alright guys, I know that all the people speak about Midjourney, but we will use another tool today, and this is absolutely for free, okay? Because Midjourney is limited with 25 free images you can create, and then you have to pay. We are using Blue Willow, and with Blue Willow you don't have any limitations, and the quality is quite amazing, okay? Now, let's put in here image and prompt, and then let's say we want an image of a 20 year old male wearing a white shirt with blue eyes and blonde hair. Okay, and then the important thing here is that the seed parameter, we have to use the same number in every picture, okay? Now we can choose 30 here, seed 30, and let's create this image. Great, now we get our image here, and this is the normal pose of this guy, okay? Here we can jump to the image, and now we copy this prompt, and then imagine prompt, paste it in here, and now here we want that this guy is smiling image of a 20 years old, and here we change nothing, okay? The seed parameter we leave the 30, and then let's do it again. Okay, now we get our guy smiling. That is a little bit strange, okay, but he wants to take out his jacket, I think. Let's have a look here. We can see always here when we go into the mailbox, then we can see the actual image, okay, that we made. And you can see here, that looks quite amazing. Look at this image here. It is this version of this guy. And this image here, this version. And this, we have this version, okay? And yeah, almost 3 images are matching with our standard image. And now let's look this guy sad. Now we have already copied, and imagine prompt, paste, and sad image of a 20-year, and now with the same seed parameter we create a new image. Alright, now we get our image here. I can see here this guy, this version here from number 3 from the last image, looks like this one, also like this guy. You can see here that he have very much longer hair in every image here, so it is matching with this one here, okay? But the result is amazing, I can say, okay? Just the background is a little bit different, only this one here, but he have another t-shirt here, but this is really good. I think Blue Willow will have a lot of improvement in the future. But this is a secret how we can create the same character with different face expressions, and you can also do the same thing with different poses, okay? Just try it out. If you want to find out the latest AI tools, then go to my brand new website, theaimentor.com, and there every day you will find some new AI tools there, okay? If you found this tutorial helpful, then just give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in my next video. Bye!
Ha ha ha.